In the last few videos, we have been talking about variables and types, and we have learned that Dart is a statically typed language, which means that Dart types are known at compile time. In this video, I want to introduce a new keyword that is sometimes used to declare variables that can be of any type, and that keyword is called dynamic. So over here, I could change this declaration by saying dynamic height equals 1.84. And because I've declared my height to be dynamic, it means that if I really want, here I could say height equals Andrea, and the compiler doesn't complain about this. So I can run the code again, and I can see that on the console I get a line saying I am Andrea meters tall. Now we know that this doesn't make sense because height is a variable that is meant to store a numeric value. But because we have declared it as dynamic, the compiler lets us assign anything we want. So in general, we should only use dynamic if we really don't know the type of a variable when it is initialized. And we should use var or final instead, so that we can make the most of type inference. And just to be clear, the whole point of a statically typed language is that we can get some guarantees about the types of the variables that we use. And this leads to code that is safer and easier to use correctly. As a proof of this, I can change this declaration once again to var, and now the compiler can help us and tell us that a value of type string can't be assigned to a variable of type double, which is exactly what I've done here. So we can delete this line and continue on the next video.